Hello, my name is how to use the tool for data analysis. This is a very short video and just I have connected two connections here. One is for the Oracle, one for I will run it one by one and I will show you how to do it. Let's run it with the SQL Server connection first. Toad allows you to connect it to the multiple database, relation database like Oracle, SQL Server, Sybase. Right now I'm going to just even access, of course, and I'm just going to show you just how to. I'm first going to show you how to create a query. Okay, so just I'll say query builder, and I will just drag in the few tables, and after dragging into the few tables, I will just drag in maybe I just want to drag in sales. So I drag in the sales, and then I want to drag in the maybe publisher, and I also want to drag in the maybe I will take it as titles. Yes, titles. I will take it as a titles. Okay, and I'm just taking the three tables because do not think I have prepared for it. I'm just going giving you a demo how you can use it. And this is, let me show it to these three tables are connected, and I will just select a few of the columns. I will just select the titles here, and I will just select the sales, the quantity, and after selecting the quantity, I'll just select the publisher name. Not too many for this demo, but and then I will select right click it on select execute, and once I execute the data has been actually created. Now you can send this data when you right click it. You can send this data, export the data to the using export wizard, or you can send it to directly to the tables, browsers, and pivot grid. You can always send it to the Excel also, but I will just show it to you in the pivot grid because I want to show you how this data can be transmitted in the Excel using the pivot grid. Very similar type, and I will show it to you. I just click the pivot grid and it will start, and you can see it's running up, and now it has shown me the three. I have selected only those columns that actually can create a pivot data. So I will just drag the field here. So I will just drag it the title columns here at the top and leave it. As you can see, it has come up, and I will say the publisher names I want it to be here, and that's the publisher names I've got because there are three only valid publisher. There are many publisher, but only three are actually uh, for the books that have titles that have been sold. And you can see that actually when I did it, it was able to create the pivot data completely. Okay, and let's now I will close this thing and I will show it to you something else. So I will say just query builder. Now instead I have the pubs database in the Oracle as well as in the SQL Server, though you may not have that situation, but I'm going to show you how to use two database and query it and make some sense of it. That is not shown to you by any book or any database person, but I'm going to show it to you because I'm going to show it to you how it can be created in the using the code for data analysis. And let's me maybe it's taking some time, it's got stuck up or something because of the some problems. I'll just close one or two of them. It's low on the memory because a lot of database are running here. So I will just show you one more of the thing. It's a query builder. Using the query builder, this time I am going to select tables from two databases, and I'm going to show you how to query it and how to present it. However, this is I have two databases, as you can see. Oracle, if I select the Oracle, I can see all the tables from the Oracle. This is the same pubs database. Actually I had been able to send it to the Oracle, or you can say migrate it to the Oracle. And I'm now going to select the, as you can see, that one of the tables has appeared, and I'm going to just click on the other one, and I'm going to select the maybe sales, because this is from the same database, so it's actually got it connected. So I will just remove this one, so that I need titles from the maybe the Oracle database. So I'm waiting for the Oracle database to show up. Wait a minute, something wrong. Maybe. Okay. If the Oracle database shows up, it will show us. Uh, oh, no, it's because of the low memory. It's creating a problem. Maybe I will just select it from the. Yeah, I think so. That is from the Oracle already, and now I have to select one from the. Yes. Now I have selected the sales. One is come now. Once I have selected two tables from the two different databases, you can see the O for Oracle comes up, and for the SQL Server, you will see that the diagram that has come up here, but the like entity relationship diagram that has been the icon. But you can see that the problem is, it doesn't have relationship though the data, because but I know it is the same data. It can be connected, and it is the, so I can drag this thing here, and I can connect it here. Now one table data is coming from the Oracle, and other one is coming from the SQL Server. Now this gives you a very very powerful query you can do, and you can submit the data to the for creating report, and I can just, if you want to see the query, it can show you the query, and you can see there are two database connected here. And again I will go back to the diagram, and I will say execute it, and after executing it, you will be able to view the data. And after viewing the data, you can see that I have been able to use the two different databases and present the data. Of course you could send it to the many other things like web browsers and other things, send to the chart designer. You can export it to the other things, save the SQL query, and you can also export it to the what you call the Excel file. And there are many other things, but this is the basic fundamentals. I think so. You can also draw an ER diagram, and that's what I wanted to say. Talk about the tools for data analysis. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Have a nice day.